Hey guys, welcome back. So let's get started with this zombie nurse look, and I'm gonna be starting with this foundation that's gonna be lighter than my regular foundation. I am also going to be applying it on my lips, and I am wearing some contacts from color CL in the style Bloodshot Drops. And I'm just gonna be setting my foundation with some setting powder. I do want my skin to look powdery and dry for this look. I'm gonna get started with this black shadow here and applying it all over my lid. Now I'm going to be grabbing this pinkish reddish tone eyeshadow, and then I'm going to be placing it above the other eyeshadow and then blending them together. And now here I'm going to be applying some black shadow, not too much, and then I'm going to go ahead with this yellow one and then adding some and then going back with the black. Then I'm going to be blending everything with my sponge and then going in with this gray eyeshadow stick and then just applying it under my waterline and then adding some shadow there. Going in with some red paints, I'm just going to be drawing some red veins, so just like that, and I'm just going to be doing that all over my eyes. Taking some bronzer, I'm gonna put this all over my face, and I'm gonna go a little heavier with this than usual. And then I am also going to be adding some black shadow just to kind of make my skin a little distressed, kind of bruised up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some of that pinkish reddish eyeshadow as well. Doing the same thing around my lips, and then I'm also gonna be creating some lines in between my lips here. Here I am applying some liquid latex with some pieces of tissue paper to create a wound, and I'm gonna be letting them sit. I do have a video, an older video, showing step by step how I do this. If this is your first time doing this, I would suggest you guys just to skip this part. This could be a little difficult and you guys could get hurt. If you do, go ahead and try it, just be very careful. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding some foundation, some black shadow, and then some of that reddish pinkish shadow just to go around the wound. And then I'm just going to be adding some red paint inside and out. Apply some eyelashes, and now I'm just going to be dabbing some paint throughout my face. I'm just basically adding blood wherever I feel that I might need it and where it would look the best. So from here, you're just gonna get your nurse accessories, and I did add some stage blood to it, and this is how it turned out. See you guys on the next video.